Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of rock hunting, jewelry making, and more. In today's video, we explore why rainy days can be the perfect time for rock hunting, and we'll share a captivating story about a unique piece of chalcedony discovered by my uncle during one such rainy day. We'll take you through the journey of finding, cleaning, and transforming this ordinary-looking rock into a stunning piece of jewelry. Rock hunting is an exciting and rewarding hobby that allows you to uncover the natural beauty hidden within ordinary stones. However, did you know that rainy days can be the best time for this activity? When it rains, the wet conditions can reveal colors and features of rocks that are not visible when they are dry. The moisture enhances the hues and patterns, making it easier to spot interesting specimens. Rainwater acts like a natural polish, accentuating the inherent colors and textures of the rocks. It washes away the dust and dirt, allowing the true character of each stone to shine through. Additionally, the reflective surface of wet rocks can catch your eye, making them easier to identify amidst the surrounding landscape. Our story begins on a rainy afternoon when my uncle decided to take his dog for a walk. Despite the gloomy weather, he ventured out, knowing that the rain could turn an ordinary stroll into a treasure hunt. As they walked along the familiar path, something caught his eye, a glimmer of color among the wet stones. Upon closer inspection, he found an intriguing piece of chalcedony. This type of quartz is known for its smooth texture and vibrant colors, which can range from white to shades of blue, purple, and even gray. The chalcedony he discovered had a captivating blue-purple hue when wet, but appeared more gray when dry. Excited by his find, he brought the rock back to his workshop to see what lay beneath the outer layer. Back in his workshop, my uncle began the meticulous process of transforming the raw chalcedony into a beautiful piece of jewelry. The first step was to clean the rock thoroughly, removing any dirt and debris. He then carefully ground down the outer basalt layer, using specialized tools to expose the pure chalcedony underneath. With the chalcedony now revealed, he shaped it into an oval cabochon that would fit a 25 by 8 millimeters bezel. This involved precise grinding and sanding to achieve the desired shape and size. Despite a small chip in the stone, my uncle remained optimistic about the final outcome. He knew that with careful handling and attention to detail, the imperfections could be minimized. The next step was to polish the back of the cabochon to a high shine. He used a diamond flat lap, a tool that allows for fine control and a smooth finish. The goal was to create a see-through, open-back setting for the pendant, allowing light to pass through the chalcedony and enhance its natural beauty. After hours of dedicated work, the transformation was complete. The chalcedony, once hidden beneath a layer of basalt, now gleamed with a polished luster. The blue-purple hues that had initially caught my uncle's eye were now even more vibrant, set off beautifully by the sterling silver setting. The final piece was a stunning pendant that showcased the unique qualities of the chalcedony. The open-back setting allowed light to illuminate the stone from behind, highlighting its translucence and depth. Despite the initial chip, the pendant turned out to be a remarkable piece of jewelry, a testament to my uncle's skill and patience. This story is a wonderful example of how rainy days can be perfect for rock hunting. The wet conditions reveal hidden colors and features, turning an ordinary walk into an opportunity for discovery. My uncle's journey from finding a raw piece of chalcedony to creating a beautiful pendant demonstrates the magic of this hobby and the potential that lies within each stone. We hope this video inspires you to embrace the rain and venture out on your own rock hunting adventures. Who knows what treasures you might find? If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share your own rock hunting experiences in the comments below. Happy hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.